how many fix connector works. Follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the mini-fix screw. Fix the mini-fix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of given screwdriver. This is the mini-fix housing. Make sure the mini-fix housing is perfectly mounted in its hole. The arrow in the mini-fix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the dowel in the hole opposite to the mini-fix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now, while fixing, make sure the mini-fix screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the mini-fix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between mini-fix screw is unlocked and lock.
Pick boards 3 and 4 and attach the bushes. Place the auto hinges soft close on board 3 and 4, 6 and 7. Attach board 2 to board 1. Pick board 3 and attach the boards 1 and 2. Make sure the smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Rotate the mini-fix housing 180 degrees. Now attach board 4 to boards 1 and 2. Rotate the mini-fix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 6 to board 5. Make sure the smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Rotate the mini-fix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 7 to board 5. Make sure the smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Rotate the mini-fix housing 180 degrees. Now attach board 8 flat on 6 and 7 boards. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Now attach both the units. Make sure the rough side of the boards are on the same side. Rotate the mini-fix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Place the back boards, make sure the screw holes is perfectly aligned and tighten them. Carefully turn the unit upright. Attach the shelf support L plugs on all 4 sides equally so that the board can stand flat. Slightly tilt the board, slide it in, and place it on the cabinet shelf. Support L plug. Follow the same for the other board. Attach the handles to the doors. Loosen the adjustment screw on the auto hinges. Soft close if any adjustments are needed to fix the door. Attach the door boards to auto hinges. Soft close. Then tighten the adjustment screw in the auto hinges. Soft close. Attach the door boards to auto hinges. Soft close. Your product is ready to use.